So last week I showed you how to make this art journal in a class, and I'll put a link down below. It's free with that link, so you can check it out and you can make this real one. But today I want to show you how to make a mini version, a simpler version of a zigzag or accordion or concertina style art journal. It's cute, you can take it anywhere, you can put it literally even in your women's back pocket of your jeans that you know are so small that you can barely fit an ID card in. But this one will fit. Try it and test it. And you can take it anywhere and just paint on the go. And that's really fun when you're waiting for somewhere, or when you just go for a walk and you have 10 minutes because your kids play with some stick that they cannot leave there. Okay, let's get to it. So how do we make our little journal? We take our big piece of paper and we just cut a stripe out of it. I just used the white of a ruler because it's the simplest, and I cut it with my rotatory cutter. But if you don't have a rotatory cutter, you can just mark on both ends with pencil and just cut it out with scissors. Now that we have our stripe of paper, what I like to do is just take my ruler and score it with my bone folder. Then I just repeat this throughout the whole piece of paper. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing. Thank you! You will see there is a little tab that's left that is smaller. You can just cut it out and you will get a journal like this that has the end pages that are the whole. Or you could leave it in and you would get a journal like this that only this part is glued onto. It's up to your preference and how much you want to save your paper. For this demo I will just cut it out. Now we fold this paper in a zigzag fold. We already have the folds scored, so this will be easy. Now I'm scoring all the pages with my bone folder, but you can also use a cutlery knife or even your fingernail for this. And now we need to make a cover. For this I just cut the colored cardboard a little bit bigger than the pages are, as you can see. So if my pages are 6 by 6 centimeters, I will maybe make it 7 by 7. For our colored cardboard we can use whatever. Here I've got some tissue box and I will use this. It will be perfect. It's 6.5 centimeters. I just drew a square that is a bit bigger than the pages are, cut it out, and when it's cut out I can use that as a template for the other cover. So I've got my two covers, but what I like to do is to round off the edges. The simplest way, if you have the corner rounder, you can use that and just go around the edges. But if you don't, you can also take a coin and just draw a curve around it and cut it out. It works the same. See? They're both nice. Now we just have to glue this onto our page. When we do this, we take care that we position it so that it looks out the edges on all sides approximately equally. And that's the only thing you have to take care of here. Otherwise, this is a really simple project. And as I said, and also if you're using pattern paper, do take care that you put it the same side up. Now you can put a heavy book on it so that it flattens nicely. That's it. You have the small little journal that you can fill in with your little sketches whenever inspiration strikes, because this kind of little journal you can take everywhere. or anywhere. And you can have one dedicated for animals, one dedicated for people, one dedicated for your kids. You can give it as a gift, as a nice token, or maybe to some art teacher as a thank you gift at the end of the school year or something like that. But if you want to learn how to make a bigger and better version with the full cover and everything, then visit the link in the description for my free class, and I hope to see you there. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye! So last week I showed you